was really fun, the leaderboards and like the emulation with the other teams to see that another team was proposing a better model and try to beat it, to find the good ideas. We planned at the beginning to go to sleep like at midnight to be fresh for the morning, but we were so like thrilled to beat the other teams that we ended up going to sleep at 4. Like the morning was a bit harsh, but it was really fun.
It was yes, a very good opportunity to work in groups on the subjects, because yes, it's not something we have done a lot in such a good place and on such a good topic.
Well, we are a team of friends. We are 3 friends. We know each other for a long time. We have a bit of a dream that is to create our own project. Winning the technical prize really like showed us that we have the ability to do something that is worth, that has power to change things in a theme that we love, which is social and ecological change.